Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the Youth World. Topic for our today's discussion is very important and it is very relevant to the present text or the present context. You are students of electronics engineering, you are a student of mechanical engineering, you are a student of computer science engineering, and you are a student of even the civil engineering also. So at present time, you are searching everything on the internet. Either you are designing a machine like the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, is designing a car that is based on electricity. That electricity is utilized from which place? Where the data is coming on and where the data is going on. Where is the source? Where is the sink? Everything is interconnected. That's why I'm bringing you a series of lectures on these three things that are coming into the fifth generation of the technology. Now, the fifth generation of the technology is, let me tell you what are the three topics that I'm focusing on. This is the first lecture on this particular topic. I will come up again another lecture for this particular thing. But let me create the idea behind this. What is the sole idea behind the topic of our discussion today? We will discuss what is IoT. You know what is the full form of IoT? I will let you know. You know what is machine intelligence? You know what is machine intelligence? Machine design. So not intelligence. This is machine design. And you will come to know what is AI. So basically, Internet of Things. IoT means Internet of Things. I will try to explain you all these three terms, number one, number two, number three, in a bristling way. I will touch these topics. I'm not going into the deep in the first lecture. I will try to discuss more things related to the IoT, machine design and AI in my subsequent lecture. So this is the opening lecture for this particular series that I'm giving the name series as IoT. IoT 001. Okay friends, you might be watching the car of Tesla that is totally based on electricity. It is an electrical driven car and it is totally connected with the 5G network. It is a driverless car. So how it is possible? How the Elon Musk was able to design such car and he's able to marketize such cars and he's able to sell in different countries as well. That's why he's now become the richest person in the world. Earlier was Bill Gates, and even for some time there was Jeff Bezos, Amazon's CEO, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos was the number one. But nowadays Elon Musk is the number one. So what was the idea behind it? Do you know scrap business? Scrap business is also a unique business where we collect the scrap from different places and dump into some particular place. So everything is interconnected nowadays. At present, if we talk about India, we are working on 4G technology. But people say that in Japan they have 7G technology also. They are working on 7G, 7th generation. Now what is the 5th generation technology? 5th generation means human plus AI. And how this is possible? This is possible because of Internet of Things. Now, you might be thinking, what is Internet of Things? Friends, it is nothing. It is just the internet, but it is connected to several medium. Like for example, I'm taking a lecture with the standee. I'm recording this video, and I will be uploading through my YouTube channel. With that, you are connected to the internet, and you will able to visualize what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to say not. So this is the sole idea behind the Internet of Things. Now the next comes is the important thing, that is machine design. You must design machine in such a way so that the machine should be able to be connected to the internet. Like for example, in India you have launched the MG Hector car. MG Hector, that is totally based on internet or the Wi-Fi services or the Bluetooth services. Bluetooth is the short area network, whereas Wi-Fi is a long area network. But you can watch the entire activity of a car with the simple concept. If it is designed supporting the AI supporting the Internet of Things and supporting the AI. If you are designing a machine in such a way that it supports IoT and AI, then you will able to understand what I'm trying to say. So friends, you have to understand these three topics in deep. What is Internet of Things, and what is artificial intelligence, and what is machine design. तो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक मेरे डिस्कशन में से आपको एक चीज तो क्लियर हो गई होगी कि व्हाट इज मशीन डिजाइन. मशीन के डिजाइन को आपको इस तरीके से डिजाइन करना है कि यू मस्ट बी एबल टू connect each module of the machine with the internet. That is the machine design. That's why it is called Internet of Things. Now, so this topic is clear. Machine design. You might have got the. You can watch the Tesla website. You can collect the photos of the latest cars of the Tesla. You can collect ideas from the website over there. But the point is, why I am focusing on these three things? Because these three, 1, 2 and 3 are the latest technology on which the world is focusing on. Entire universities like Oxford University and Massachusetts Institute of Technology and even the IITs are focusing on AI plus machine design plus Internet of Things. तो I think अभी तक के जो इनिशियल डिस्कशन से आपको जो है, जो भी आपके डाउट्स पुट अप होंगे, आप मुझे लेक्चर्स में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. और जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं आप मुझसे पूछिए. What is machine design? I've told you machine design. I've told you Internet of Things. Now I will let you know what is artificial intelligence. So be with me. Give me some time. This lecture will be uploaded as IoT 001. Okay. So I've let you know what you got. I have let you know what is machine design. Machine design is done. You got the point. You have to design such microcontrollers, such servo motors, so that it can be connected to the digital world. You have to design ADCs. You have to design DSCs, digital to analog converter, plus the analog to digital converters. Then you have to understand what is IoT. Means suppose there are three blocks of a car. Like this is engine, this is petrol tank, and this is the gear section. Okay, engine, petrol tank and the gear section. All these you must have to fit a component, a sub module in these, so that they can be connected through a network. If you're designing your car or particular any bike or any machine, even a bus or a train or any aircraft, it should have such modules. If it is connected to the internet, then it will come under the topic that is what I'm discussing, that is Internet of Things. Understand? Now you will understand what is machine design. If you're designing such a way, enabling internet, then you will be machine design. But you have to use the artificial intelligence also. So just be with me. I will let you know what is artificial intelligence with a simple, lucid example in a simple text and a simple understanding. Then I will come up again of this topic, IoT 002, in my next lecture. But in today's lecture, let me tell you what is AI. What I'm trying to tell you about the AI. Okay. So let me change the color. What is AI? AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Suppose I have three beakers, B1, B2 and B3. These are the three beakers. Beaker 1, beaker 2, beaker 3. This is of 5 liter. This is of 3 liter. And this is filled with 8 liter. This is empty, this is full. Okay, then how you will measure the 4 liter with this? You have to repeat such steps so that the calculation will be 4 liter. Suppose you take you have to, suppose for example, take one more beaker. Okay, and what you will do, you will fill 5 liter from the 8-liter tank, so this will be 5. Okay, then what you will do, you will take -3 from with the help of this speaker. So what is the remaining? 2. And in the same way, this is one module, one computer set, one algorithm. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then you have to repeat the algorithm 5 minus 3. Again put 5, then take 3. Then what will you get? 2. And already 2 is there. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. This is how you have to apply your intelligence to calculate the calculated amount with the limited set of resources. You have only two resources, 5 liter and 3 liter, but you have to measure 4 liter. And this is how it is going to be done. You are taking a cloud, and these are interconnected computers. You will apply your brain. The brain is natural, but you are taking care of natural thing with the machine. That's why it is known as artificial intelligence. So friends, these are the very burning topics. You have to study all about these things. You can crack the algorithms. You can crack the hacking algorithm also based on the IoT, machine design, and the Internet of Things. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching this lecture. I will come up with again what are the other things that are coming in the way of Internet of Things in the next series of lecture, in the series lecture number 2. Thank you, and if you have any doubts, please comment and do like the video. Thank you. Enjoy the day.